Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make multiple YouTube accounts under one email or one account. So at first, just go to youtube.com. From here, just go to your profile picture at the top right and just click on it. From here, you need to click on YouTube Studio. Now, from YouTube Studio on the left-hand side, you'll see settings. Just go inside settings. Now, inside settings, you'll get a channel option. Just click on that. From there, you'll find the Advanced Settings tab. Just go to it and then just scroll all the way down and just go to Manage YouTube Account. Then just give it some time and you'll find an option over here called Add or Manage Your Channels. Just click on it. And after that, from here, you'll get an option to create a channel. Just click on it. And after that, just give it a name. For example, my channel name will be @Leopard. As you can see, the handle is available. So if I just click on create a channel, it will create the channel for me. And basically, that is the easiest way to create multiple channels under one email. And that is how to create multiple channels under one email. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.